Good morning, dear class children. After 3 days back in gap, we are starting today about progression chapter. Progressions: arithmetic progression, geometric progression, harmonic progression. In arithmetic progression, common difference will be equal. Common difference will be equal. By seeing that if the intervals are equal, then we say it is in arithmetic progression. Short form AP, arithmetic progression. Nth term of AP, nth term of AP is A plus n minus 1 of D, and the general form of AP, general form of AP is A first term, common difference D is added, and this is A plus 2D, A plus 3D dash. This is first term, second term, third term, fourth term, and this is nth term. By applying this formula, we are solving the problems. In previous class, we did third problem and second problem. Now, third problem, third. First term 5 and A4 given. Fourth term of AP given 9.5. Find A1 comma A2. First term, second term. Find A2, A3. By applying this formula, we can find given first term 5, fourth term, that is A plus 3D. A4 is equal to A plus 3D is equal to given 9.5, and A value given 5 plus 3D is equal to 9.5 can be written as 19 by 2. 3D is equal to 19 by 2 minus 5. 3D is equal to 19 minus 10 by 2. 3D is equal to 9 by 2. D is equal to 9 by 2 by 3. 3 1 3 3. So 3 by 2, 1.5. So 3 by 2, he is asking A2, second term, A plus D, A value 5, D value 3 by 2, take LCM 2 5 is 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 10 plus 3, 13 by 2, or 6.5. Next A3, A3 is A plus 2D. A value given 5, D value we know 3 by 2. 2 cancel, 5 plus 3, 8. Third term is 8, second term is 6.5, like that. Fourth. A1 is 4 minus -4, and A6 is 6. Find A1 and find A2. Find A2, A3, A4, A5. What is the sixth term? Sixth term of an AP is A plus 6 minus 1, 5D, is equal to given 6. A value given -4. -4 plus 5D is equal to 6. 5D is equal to 6 plus 4. 5D is equal to 10. And D is equal to 10 by 5. And D is equal to 2. Now, after knowing D, he is asking A2. A2 is equal to A plus D is equal to A value -4 plus 2 is -2. A3, A plus 2D, A value -4, 2D, D is -4, D is plus 2. So this is -4 plus 4, 0. A4, A4 is equal to A plus 3D, A value -4, D value 3. This is -4 plus 6 is 2. And go on adding 2 to A5. A5 is A plus 4D, A value -4 and 4D. Here D is 2, 6. 4 into 2, -4 plus 8 is 4. Therefore, the terms are second term -2, third term 0, fourth term -2, fifth term 4. We can go on adding -2 plus 2, -2 plus 2, 0. Third term is 0. Right. Fifth problem. Third, fifth. A2 given 38, A6 given third, sixth term, -2, 22. Find A1, A2, A1, A3, A4, A5. Given A2 is equal to A plus 2 is A plus D is equal to 38, and A6 is equal to A plus 5D is equal to -22. Say this is first equation, this is second equation. Solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. Solving. So subtraction, minus plus. So -4D is equal to 60, and D is equal to 60 by -4, that is 15. D is -15. Substitute D value. Substitute D value in equation 1. What is 1? A plus D is equal to 38. D value -15 is equal to 38. A is equal to 38 plus 15. A is equal to 53. A equal to 50. B value minus 15. Now we have to find A1. A1 is 53, A3, A plus 2B. A value 53, B value minus 15. So 53 minus 30 is 23. And A4. What is A4? A4 is A plus 3D. A value 53, B value minus 15. So this is 53 minus 45, that is 8. A5, fifth term, A plus 4D. A value 53, B value minus 15. So 53 minus 60. So this is minus 7. Sixth term, minus 7 minus 15 minus 25. So these are the terms. This is the procedure. Next, fourth problem. Which term of the series? Fourth. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18, dash is 78. Nth term of APs. Nth term is given 78. Series is given 3, 8, 13, 18. In this we know first term A. First term A is 3. Common difference A2 minus A1, that is 8 minus 3, that is 5. Always subtract. Second term minus first term. 5. B is 5. AN given. AN nth term given 78. Now write the formula. AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 of D. In this formula, you substitute the values. Unknown we get n. See how I am doing. Now 78. A value 3, n we don't know, B value 5. This plus 3 will come this side as minus 78 minus 3 is equal to n minus 1 of 5. This into 5 will come this side as by 75 by 5 is equal to n minus 1, and this is 25 is equal to 15 is equal to, this minus 1 will come to say as plus, is equal to n. Therefore, n is equal to 16. Therefore, 16th term. Therefore, 16th term of the series of the AP is 78. Like this we have to do 16th term. Which term means 16th term. find the number of terms of the AP. Number 1, 7, 13, 19 dash dash 205. Second, 18, 15 and a half, 13, dash dash minus 47. Here series is given, last term is given. We have to find how many terms are there from 7 to 205. We have to find L, same as the fourth problem. Here see right here, nth term is equal to a plus n minus 1 of b. Here a equal to 7, b is equal to 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7 is 6, and an is equal to 205. Right, like this. So an 205. A value 7, n value we don't know, d value 6, 13 minus 7, a2 minus 7. Plus 7 will come this side as minus 7 is equal to n minus 1 of 6. 15 minus 7, 8, here 9, 198. By 6, here into 6, by becomes by 6 is equal to n minus 1. 6 3s are 18, 6 3s are 18, minus 1 will come this side as plus is equal to n. Therefore, n is equal to 34. Therefore, 34th term of the series is 205. So answer is 34 terms. There are 34 terms from 7 to 205. Similarly, you do this same process. You do it. Process nth term of AP is equal to a plus n minus 1 of b. This is minus 47. This is descending order. A value is 18 and b value is 2.5. Minus 2.5, that is minus 5 by 2. 15.5 minus 18. A value 18. N value we don't know, D value 5 by 2 minus. Now, the same will come inside as minus. 47 minus 18 is equal to n minus 1 of minus 5 by 2. And this is 15, 6 minus 65. Into becomes 5. Minus 2 by 5 is equal to n minus 1. 5 1 the 5 13, 2 the 26 plus is equal to n minus 1. Minus 1 will come this side as plus. 27 is equal to n. Therefore, 27th term is minus 47. There are 27 terms in this. Sixth, check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2 dashes. Same here, A equal to 11, B equal to 8 minus 7. 8 minus 11 is minus 3. It is minus 3 and AN is minus 150. Yes, substitute. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 of D. AN minus 150, A value 11, N we don't know, D value minus 3. This 11 will come this side as minus 150 minus 11 is equal to N minus 1 of minus 3. Minus 3, this into will come this side as by minus 161 by minus 3 is equal to N minus 1. This is not divisible. It is not a whole number. So, minus 150 doesn't come in this series. Since minus plus 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9, 2 by 3 is equal to N minus 1. Minus 1 will come this side as plus 53, 2 by 3 plus 1 is equal to N. 54, 2 by 3 is equal to N. N is always whole number. But this is fraction. Fraction term, fraction number doesn't arise. Therefore, since it is not a whole number, not a whole number, minus 150 is not a term, is not a term, is not a term of the series, not a term of the series, term of the series. Oh. Like this. If it is a whole number, yes, it is a number. It belongs to the series.